Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate out of chocolate. You'll need about 4 ounces of your favorite chocolate, roughly 2 cups of milk, and a tablespoon of sugar or another sweetener. The quality of your chocolate truly makes a difference, so pick something you love. Whole milk or a creamy plant-based option will give you that luxurious texture we all crave. Now let's get that chocolate melting. Pour your 2 cups of milk into a saucepan and warm it gently over medium-low heat. Don't let it boil. Once it's warm, add your 4 ounces of finely chopped chocolate. Stir constantly with a whisk or spoon. This ensures the chocolate melts evenly and prevents it from sticking to the bottom of the pan, creating a wonderfully smooth base. Under the hood, the Sequoia generally offers more power, often equipped with a potent V8 or a modern hybrid V6 engine, delivering impressive acceleration and towing capability. It can tow over 9,000 pounds, making it ideal for large trailers. The 4Runner typically comes with a dependable V6 engine, known for its longevity and consistent performance. Both SUVs feature advanced 4-wheel drive systems, ensuring confident handling in diverse conditions, from challenging trails to snowy roads, providing excellent ground clearance. Your delicious homemade hot chocolate is ready. Carefully pour the warm, rich beverage into your favorite mugs. Now for the fun part, garnishing. A dollop of whipped cream, a handful of fluffy marshmallows, or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings can elevate the experience. Serve it immediately and enjoy the comforting warmth and incredible flavor of your freshly made treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.